So, how to fix Instagram automatically closes problem in less than 1 minute? Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do it in less than 1 minute. So, if you want to fix this problem, just keep watching. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Now, when you go to the apps manager, go to the apps again. This is the this is all the apps that I have on my phone. Go to Instagram. Now right here, all what you have to do now is so easy. Click on force stop and then click on the permissions. Make sure that the storage permission specially is enabled. Go back, click on data usage, scroll, disable all those options and enable them again like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on this option to clear all the data, and now go back to the home page, open Play Store, search for Instagram on the Play Store, and then click here on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.